swinging like a chain. This shit crazy. Let's go. Yeah.
If you make more than $10 an hour, scream in this bitch, man. Let's go.
Let the streets know. Okay. Let the streets know. Let's count this motherfucker out. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. What's in my pocket now?
Face running.
Come on. Everything. Come on. I got on there with you. I already kissed her. What? I'm what you getting down to people. I got plenty money. I got plenty money. Yeah. I got plenty. Come on. I got plenty money. Yeah. I got plenty money. I got plenty money.
You ready?
I got plenty money. Yeah. I got plenty money.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
He like the white boy, but I do get away like the white boy. Now I'm looking for a beautiful baby.
Come on.
Since he got his ass sucking on the job. Gotta get Tony, gotta get Tony.
What's up?
Nobody just fucking up when I roll it.
What you say?
Oh, no, breathe in the night. Oh, no, lie, but they're really very good. I'm getting my bag and pull up.
Come on.
Got that body on my way, feel it out.
What you say?
Oh, Remy straight tonight, I don't know.
Yeah. Let's do it. Yeah. Let's go. What we doing? Waste that. Like that.
Hey, what's happening, man? This is Lil One Plies, man. Hey,
Let's go.
tell about your shout out, man.
Ladies, y'all ready? Ladies, what's up? Shake it to me. Come on.
Keep me on the shit, so loud. The most the baddest thing around is she already know it. I pointed at the dog and told her to pull me. Showed her some respect and told her I let her woo. The hottest nigga in the city, baby, you can't walk. I showed her I was a real nigga. She went, come on. First time I heard her shit, she right for it. Right. I swear I gotta say. I told her how to talk to me while she take and don't have to show her what a real nigga. I told her you can do this, I'll fuck on it first. But that's a beat you think I'm not a fuck up the whole. I got trained, I'm not to fuck me with I call her I know that's coming at first. Whenever I tell her the bus, they got to fuck my boys. Whenever I want to get on, she know to get.
Let's go.
I'ma call you mine.
Ladies,
I can't stand it till you treat it.
what's up?
I beat his ass by
Shake it to me.
and we ain't getting nothing back. You got no clothes to do, cause you know. Baby, baby, no. Keep me on your
Come on.
just like it to me,
Yeah. Y'all know the shit we came to do. We gotta go acapella in the bitch. You ready? Here we go.
I love to show off cause all the dope boys know why they want to be paid. Look all that.
Yes, I know.
Look how that pussy sit up in them shoulders.
long as shot like she bow-legged and bigger. She proud to be fucking me. Cause it feel good to be fucking a real
good,
nigga.
don't it?
I ain't called in 2 days. Gotta let her. Cause when she miss me, she call and tell me.
Come on it.
That's why I'm mind breaking off, cause she ain't with her. If you done fucked her before, you know why then. You know she gotta be something, cause I done beat her. They snatching down there, I'm telling y'all. I exposed her to real and nothing. Remember, she used to run from me. She told me sometimes, just ask me, is it? Ever since I got that little pussy.
Can Miss Becky please raise her hand?
Oh shit.
I need some of that good head right now. I need that Becky.
Mo this liquor, oh so crazy. Before we fuck,
Can you neck me?
what? I want your mind. Give me that
Keep that pussy, I want your dough. Front that head for you.
wet your mouth for you. Quick one.
Must get back before I do. You Miss Becky, let me lick it, I love that.
Yeah.
Head nigga, that's for
Quick.
like your jaws for.
Come on.
On this liquor, also. Before we fuck, can you
Yeah.
let that head and I am ready.
I want your mind. Give me that Becky. Hey, Luce. What's up, bro? If you from motherfucking GA, if you from motherfucking FLA, if you from the motherfucking West Coast, the mid motherfucking West, all up top, double salute to all the motherfucking real niggas in the motherfucking building. Double salute to all the bad bitches who don't need a nigga for shit. And double motherfucking salute to Rose. Hey, Luce. Let's go on this bitch. Ladies, if you know you look good, I need you to say, ooh. Let's go. Hey, can I please talk to my boss shit?
Baby.
Let's go. Let me bring you in my world and let you know what I call them. You got the speed in the fast lane. Come on. Trying to get back to her. Just believe she got the good. Yeah, she might be a what's up? Ask around, they know. Here we go. They know that's mine. Bossy.
Baby.
Come on.
You been mine.
Bossy.
Baby.
Come on.
One man to the streets, it'll be your lips would make you so love when you poke your mouth out when you're mad too. Say your name in my phone on the lip. Woo. I like your sex, but more than love what you do.
Come on.
Turn me on, how you stab and when we